do this tutorial for you guys. Oh my god, oh my I wear so much different things today. I'm going to wear the Too Faced palette, I'm going to wear this liquid eyeshadow by Huda, and I'm going to wear, obviously, my god, the Jim Charles palette, because, of course, just because, right? And in this Jim Charles palette, we're going to use just the yellow color. Just the yellow color. I'm using the inner corner and on my inner crease. So, and in this one, I'm going to use Candy Peach. I'm going to use this one. It's like a coral. It's a coral. And I really love this color. And basically, basically it's this what we're going to use today. Let me just, like, my hair is a mess today, so don't look at it. And yeah, that's it. Give me a thumbs up, it's really important. And I'm going to use tape today, so to give this sharp look. And you're going to watch everything here, so let's get started. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, and yeah, let's get started.